to yellow. Yellow lighting. It's an oyster with tartars. I don't know how I feel about the tartar sauce, but I'm gonna give it all a try because the new Milky likes to take chances and have experiences. Okay, so which one do I use? Do I use the fork or the spoon? Wait, so press 1 for fork, press 2 for spoon. So wait, I need to finish this. Is the one that's from left to right? I feel like that's the proper way. Okay, code. This is a really fancy place. Hi, Stream Dad. What's up? Can I get a shout out for Stream Dad? New year, new Milky. So from left to right. So wait, so do I use the fork? I think I'm supposed to use the spoon. Oh wait, no, everyone said fork. 1 for fork, right? Okay. I will use the fork. Yeah, so we ordered a tasting menu. Here. And we're kind of going to go through this entire thing. It's called Spice Oyster Frit. Okay, let's try. Okay. I'm not a fan of tartar sauce, but I'm trying their tartar sauce. This is good. This is really good. Oh my god. Tottemo desu, kore. Final one. Even the tartar sauce is really good. The tartar sauce, it has I think paprika. Arigatou gozaimasu. So like the oyster was like really soft, but like the outside was crispy. And it had a lot of seasoning on it. But what was it? I don't know. It was so nice. But yeah, for the whole, like if you just want to taste like all their meals, it's about 5,800, about $60 for just tasting, you know, a taste test, right, of their entire menu, which I think you can get full from. But that plus their wine, you know, I think you add 4,800, about 550. I need to finish this. Gordon Rose is so good. It's really good.
カクテル作るとこう取ります。
はい、お願いします。Okay, wait. Okay, so he's gonna show you how he makes the cocktail. ありがとうございます。
全然。
Ooh.
Ooh. とワインをこの中でスワリングして混ぜる。
はい。Ooh. Look at those hand movements. That hand technique. Ooh. Ooh. ありがとうございます。
で続いてがこちらの上海。
上海？
はい。
Oh, okay.
でラムベースにライチとドラゴンフルーツ、あとジャスミン。
Oh, okay.
あとはビオニエっていうすごいこう可愛らしいフルーティーなワイン。で酸味もそんなにないタイプ。で合わせるとちょっと香水とかルームフレグランスみたいなすごくこう華やかなフレーバーのカクテルになります。はい。
美味しそう。
どうぞ。
So this one has jasmine in it. I love jasmine. Come on. Ooh, it's strong. You can taste the jasmine though. So we're trying like all the things on their menu. I don't know. We're trying a lot of their menu, and it's Latin American cuisine. I'm excited. And so with each of their dishes, they give you a wine to try as well. How many spots? This is probably our first and only spot today. Hopefully next week we can go to a different one if it doesn't break my wallet. Okay. ありがとうございます。はい。お。Okay. はい、OK。
じゃあワカサギと芽キャベツのローストですね。小さいキャベツをローストして、ワカサギは強力粉をつけてソテーにしてる。なんで外がカリッと してます。
Ooh.
で下にオレンジのソースですね、これがロメスコソース、パプリカだったりアーモンドを使ったソース
Oh.
で、ちょっと見えづらいのがパウダーがあるんです。
Oh. Do you see the powder?
これが熟す前のマンゴーのパウダーですね。すごく酸味があってアクセントになるんですけど、そちらに山椒とカルダモンのフレーバーをつけてる。
Oh, okay.
はい。
はい、ありがとうございます。Oh shoot, are we live? Hello? Hello? Whoops. BRB.